Hello, our group name is G43. We are a group of five members from computer science and engineering. Our project is drug recommendation system. This is the agenda of our project. First, start with the introduction. Our project drug recommendation system aims to provide the accurate and timely suggestions based on the patient's symptoms and medical conditions. The system is user-friendly web application that helps the people quickly and suitable medicines based on the patient's symptoms enter. It supports both allopathy and Ayurvedic treatments, allowing users to choose their preferred methods. The system is designed for adults between the age 18 to 50 for both male and females, and especially for the emergency conditions when doctors are not available. The system uses two separate datasets, one for allopathy and second for the Ayurveda, which were collected by consulting the doctors to ensure that medicine suggestions are accurate and reliable. To find the right medicines, the system uses TF-ID of vectorizer and cosine similarity that helps to match the symptoms entered by the users with the most suitable medicines. Overall, the system provides a quick, easy, and helpful way to get the basic medical suggestions when professional healthcare support is not immediately available. So next is need of worker. In emergencies, choosing the right medicine quickly is important. People often guess or take general advice which can be risky and cause side effects. Our project solves this by giving fast medicine suggestion based on the symptoms using inputs from multiple doctors. This helps people get safer and more effective treatment when a doctor isn't available right away. Next is a problem statement. In emergencies, when doctor is not available, people don't know which medicine to take. There are so many medicine and choosing the wrong one can cause side effect or not work properly. Our system helps by looking at the symptoms and suggesting the right medicine using doctor's knowledge. It works like a first aid tool to give us safe and quick help.
So the next one is the objectives. People you need medical help but can't get in touch with the doctor right away. This goal is about building a system that can quickly suggest the right medicine based on the person's symptoms, so they can get help fast even when doctor isn't available. The second one is the idea is to create a smart software that asks users about their symptoms like fever, cough, pain, etc., and then studies those symptoms to suggest medicines and fit their conditions. This helps give more personalized and effective treatment suggestions. And the third one is the even through the system gives recommendations, it should be designed using the knowledge and experience of real doctors. And the fourth one is the system should be easy for anyone to use, especially during urgent situations. Whenever isn't through a website or app, the platform should be quick, simple, and accessible. System architecture. The diagram represents the architecture of the drug recommendation system, showing how different components work together to deliver a medicine suggestions based on the user input. The system is divided into two main parts, front end and back end. On the front end, the user starts with the home page where they can enter the login or sign up. The authentication service verifies the user's identity using the stored credential in the SQL database, which manage the user data like login information. Next, once authenticate, the users are taken to the dashboard where they can input their symptoms. The dashboard also allows users to view their previous interaction through the history section and submit their experience through the feedback section. When a user enters the symptoms, the data is sent from the front end to back end with the FAST API. FAST API receives the user input and forward it into the recommendation model. This model compares the user symptoms with the dataset, which include both allopathy and Ayurvedic medical information, and finds the most relevant match using the TF-ID of vectorizer and cosine similarity methods. The matched medicines suggestions are sent back through the API to the front end where they can display on the user's dashboard. The entire flow ensures a smooth, responsive experience for the user while providing the personalized drug recommendations securely and efficiently. So next is flowchart. So this is our flowchart. Start with checking the user account already exists or not. If account is not exist, then it navigates to create account. If account is exists, it navigates to login. After login, users navigate to dashboard.
In dashboard, we have the symptom input form. In that, when user choose the recommendation type allopathy, then system give the recommendation medicine based on the symptoms. And if the recommendation type is Ayurvedic, then system recommends the remedy. And other actions includes are view history and submit feedback. In that, in history users can see the previous history of recommendation, and in submit users can submit the feedback based on the recommendation on rating.
Next is modules. First one is the authentication module. This part makes sure only the right people can use the system. It allows user to sign up and log in securely so their information is safe and only they can access their account. Next one is the recommendation module. This module gives suggestions. The user type in their symptoms and select the type of medicine they want, like allopathy or Ayurvedic. Based on this, the system recommend the best suitable medicine. Third one is a backend server. This is the engine working behind the scene. It handles requests from users and process the logic for giving recommendation, talk to the database and make everything work smoothly. Fourth one is a database module. This is where all the data is stored safely, like user details, their past recommendation and information about different medicine. It also keep track of user feedback to improve suggestion in the future. Fifth one is a user interface module. This is what the user sees and uses on the screen. It is designed to be easy to use both phones and computer. Users can enter symptoms in a form and then the system.
Let's take the small tour of our website. This is the landing page of our online doctor website. It shows the small information of our website, and when we click on the get started button, it navigates to the login page. I already signed up with my email and password, so it shows the saved password and email. So I can show you the sign up form. So in that we can create our new account by entering full name, email, password and confirm password. It is mandatory to click on I accept all terms and conditions. So I already signed up, so I can navigate to the login option, and it shows the saved password and email. So I can click on login. So after login, it shows the dashboard of our website. In this, it shows the welcome message along with username. In navbar, there is options of home, history, feedback, and logout. In the dashboard, there is option for user to choose the treatment method, whether it is allopathy or Ayurvedic. So we can click on allopathy. It shows the enter your age. So we can enter our age, and when we click on enter our symptoms, so it shows the suggestions from our data set. So we can choose the symptoms from here, and when we click on recommend, it shows the disease, medicine, and rating. So in our data set, it contains diseases, symptoms, medicine, and rating. So based on the rating, it shows the uh, top recommendations of the uh, medicine. So after click on Ayurvedic, it also give the suggestions from the data set. When we click on the recommendation, it give the disease and remedy based on the symptoms. So when we click on history, it shows the graphical representation in pie chart format. When we click on Ayurvedic, it shows the previous recommendations of the user. And when we click on allopathy, it shows the previous allopathy recommendations of the user. So when we click on back to dashboard button, it navigates to the dashboard. And when in feedback session, we can provide the feedback that we used the remedy or medicines. So we can provide the feedback. And when we submit the feedback, it shows the thank you message. This feedback is stored in the database, so we can use this feedback for our enhancing the data set and enhancing the accuracy of the data set. So when we click on the logout option, it navigates to the login page. So thank you for giving the attention.
So the conclusion is to build a system that helps suggest the right medicine to patient during emergencies. It looks at the patient health data and quickly gives medicine suggestion based on their symptoms. This helps people get the right treatment fast, especially when there is no time to wait for a doctor. It makes emergency decisions easier and more effective. Thank you.